So today, I want to talk about being prepared and charging your devices, and now more than ever is a great time to really start thinking about it. In fact, I thought we might lose power here tonight because it is a bad thunderstorm. So I've got this charging station that was sent to me by a company, I believe you pronounce it AFERY, and so I've been really using it quite a bit, and this would definitely come in handy should I lose power. It's got multiple charging ports. It's got this interesting cable, 28-inch cable that pulls out with a Type-C connection there. You got a display so it shows your input output, and you could take it on the go. It's TSA approved, so it's very cool. This does, by the way, come in this color, and it also comes in a pink color, and I'll be sure to share my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section so you could check it out. Helps the channel, and I look forward to sharing with you different ways that I put it to the test. One with my Google Pixel, another way was my iPad mini, and then also using my Google Pixel and my iPad mini at the same time. Also get a booklet with information, and you also get an adapter piece for solar panels. So we'll talk about that, and then you get this nice box. This would make for a nice gift. Now, even though it's TSA approved, being 2.8 pounds, it's gonna be a bit heavy to take, but if you have a bag that you can carry it and bring it on the plane, because I don't think you could check these on the bottom of the plane, so you'd have to bring this on the plane with you. And to me, it's just a bit heavy. That's the only thing I could think of. I think this is better for keeping at home, or if you're gonna go camping, or you might do something outdoors and you're going to be away for a couple of days, this might be great. You could put that in there, but again, it's going to weigh down your bag. It also has rubber legs there on the bottom. Now, as far as the unit, it's 145 watt max output portable station, and with solar, it can support up to 100 watts of solar charging. It is a 31,000 milliamp battery. It's got 3,000 plus cycles. It also has this technology that they have built into this. It's a 6-in-1 safety protection, and they dive in deeper, and when you check out the link, you could learn more. Really want to share with you through the testing, because I'm sure that's what's most important to you, and more of the specifics, you could check that out there on the listing. And one thing I will also mention, being it's a maximum 145 watts, obviously when you are using multiple devices, it's going to reduce that maximum output. So do keep that in mind. Now, as far as the device, again, you have this cable. You could plug this in with a Type-C, and this is 100 watt in and out. So you're gonna get a fast charge. So that's great. And also what I do for charging this device is I plug this into a brick and it charges it up. It also has the battery indicator, and it's a pretty fast charge with using it with the brick. Now it also does, again, show the input output, and so that's nice as well. The button there, if it does turn off, you just press the button on the right hand side here, and it actually on my right, the unit's left. And then you have your Type-C, which is a 45 watt in and out, and then you have your USB-A there. So you've got 3 different ports that you can charge with. Now, let me share with you the results that I got when charging. So first of all, with my Google phone, I started charging when it was 100%. And the phone battery life was 48%, and that started at 8:18. When I got done, it got up to 95% charging on my phone, and the charger was down to 86%, and this was at 9:03. So it's pretty fast for charging. Now for my iPad mini, I started at 6:19, and it had 30% battery life on the device. The charger had 86% of battery life. When it got done, which is at 7:19, the iPad mini battery was up to 95%, and the device down to 69%. So that will give you an idea there. Again, I think it was a pretty decent speed for charging. I certainly can't complain. If you're somebody that needs super speed, then I'm not sure, maybe this might not be for you, but I think for most people, I think that this is going to do a good job charging it fast, and you're still gonna have decent battery life. Again, this has got a very large battery capacity. Now, when I used my phone and the iPad together, the unit was at 93%, my phone 40%, and the iPad was at 62%. And that's started when it got done. With charging both together, the charger reached down to 71%, my phone got up to 92%, and the iPad got up to 62% from 40. So it jumped up a decent bit in less than an hour, so about 9:14 to almost 10 o'clock, 45 minutes. And then the last one that I tested as far as charging, I plugged this into a brick. When I started, it had 70% battery life remaining at 7:20, and when I got up to 92% at 8:33, it reached 92%. So that will give you an idea as far as results that I've gotten out of it. So all in all, I am pleased with it. I, again, keep it in my kitchen, so I'm using it to charge devices in addition to other power sources. It just seems to be a great product, and it's gonna charge faster for my devices if I don't necessarily have a brick, because I can use the 100 watt in and out or the 45 watt in and out. And then if I really need to, I can use the traditional USB connection. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know, but this definitely can come in handy should you need it, should you have a power outage, should you need another source for charging devices. And if you're open to carrying something that's gonna be a bit heavier for traveling, then this may be a good way to go as well. So I appreciate the company sending it to me, and I appreciate your time. Hope this is of help to you if you are looking for another device out there. And if you end up getting it, please, I'd love to hear how it's working for you. And please leave any comments, questions. I'm always open to hearing and responding to you. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.